Daisy, winter's coming, and soon it will be harder for birds to find food. To help them, let's feed our fine feathered friends a fabulous feast.
Sweet thinking, Nature Cat. But we'll have to move quickly to keep the feeders filled. Let's do this. The blue jay. The blue jay can mimic the sound of a hawk. Fill this hanging feeder with seeds to feed one bird at a time. We need to feed 3 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go!
First, we must get... Oh, yeah! Now tap...
Look, here comes our first bird.
While a bird is feeding at this feeder, you can fill this feeder with seeds to feed more of our fine feathered friends. First, we must get... Oh, yeah! Now tap the feeder to help him fill it.
Come and get it!
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Welcome, welcome!
You won another acorn! Wow! 3 acorns!
Come and get it! Welcome,
Way to go! You fed 14 birds. But look! A new bird has arrived! The male cardinal. Cardinals will look for food on the ground, too. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Another new feed! We need to feed 4 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Come and get it!
Excellent! Feed 3 more birds to earn an acorn and get to the next level.
Come and get it!
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Enjoy, enjoy!
You won another acorn! Wow! 3 acorns!
Come and get it!
Way to go! You fed 14 birds. But here come more hungry birds. The female cardinal has come to join her mate. A cardinal likes to eat seeds and fruits. Check it out, a new feeder. You can only fill this flat feeder with nuts and berries, but this feeder can feed 2 birds at a time.
More birds, more feeders.
We need to feed 5 birds to get to the...
3, 2, 1, go! Come and get it! Come and get it!
Oh, look, chickadees! And they seem hungry. Seeds, berries, and bugs help black-capped chickadees get through winter. Man, oh man! Looks like there are even more of our hungry fine-feathered friends. We need to feed 8 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Enjoy, enjoy! Come and get it! Enjoy. Huh, can't put any more in there. Let's try another. Enjoy, enjoy.
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Come and...
Wow! 3 acorns!
Welcome, welcome!
Oh yeah! You fed 21 birds. But look, we've got more birds to feed. Look, here comes the red-winged blackbird. You'll often see red-winged blackbirds in marshes and fields. Uh-oh, watch out for squirrels. They'll eat all the food in the feeder if we don't shoo them away.
Yes, yes! Squirrels do like bird food.
We need to feed 10 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Welcome, welcome! Enjoy, enjoy!
Tap on those pesky squirrels to shoo them away.
Come and get it!
You won an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Come and get it!
You won another acorn! Wow! Sweet job! You fed 20 birds. But look, we've got more birds to feed. Hey, it's a yellow-rumped warbler. The yellow-rumped warbler may use moose, horse, and deer hair in its nest.
Whoa, that's a lot of birds and a lot of feeders to keep full. We better keep moving. Tally-ho!
We need to feed 11 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Come and get it! Come and get doesn't go there. That doesn't go there. Let's not so fast, squirrel. This feeds the birds. Enjoy, enjoy. You squirrel. Enjoy, enjoy. You squirrel.
You want an acorn. Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns.
Welcome, welcome. You squirrel.
You want another
Huh, can't put any more in there. Let's try another.
Wow! 3 acorns!
Enjoy, enjoy. You squirrel. Come and get. Not so fast, squirrel. This feed is the birds.
Way to go! You fed 28 birds! But we've got more hungry birds on their way! Here's a new flat feeder that holds mealworms.
Amazing! This feeder can feed up to 4 birds at a time, which is most needed because I have lots of new bird friends to feed.
We need to feed 12 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Welcome, welcome! Enjoy, you squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Enjoy, enjoy! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds!
Tap on
You squirrel! That doesn't go not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Enjoy, enjoy! Not so fast, squirrel!
You want an acorn! Keep feeding birdies!
Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Not on my watch, squirrel!
You want...
You squirrel! Come and get it! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds!
Wow! 3...
Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Welcome, welcome! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Enjoy, you squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Come and get it! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed...
Oh yeah! You fed 30 birds! But look! We've got more birds to feed! Hey look! A male hairy woodpecker! The hairy woodpecker's long bill helps it bore holes in trees to find its next meal.
And oh no! More squirrels! Where did they come from? They're gonna get all the bird food!
We need to feed 13 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Shoo, squirrel! Shoo, squirrel! Enjoy, enjoy! Shoo, squirrel!
Tap on those pesky squirrels.
Not on my watch, squirrel! Come and get it! Not so fast! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Not on my watch, squirrel! Come and get it! Not so fast, squirrel! Shoo, squirrel! Shoo, squirrel!
You want an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns!
Not so fast! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not so fast! Shoo, squirrel!
You want another acorn!
Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Enjoy, enjoy! Shoo, squirrel! Shoo, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel!
Wow! 3 acorns!
Not on my watch, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed... Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This not on my watch, squirrel!
Oh yeah! You fed a lot of birds! But we've got more hungry birds on their way! And now a female woodpecker has come to join the male. Look for the hairy woodpecker hopping along tree trunks and branches.
We must fill those feeders! Who knew I had so many fine feathered friends?
We need to feed 14 birds to get to the next level.
3, 2, 1, go! Enjoy, enjoy! Not on my watch, squirrel! Come and not so fast, squirrel! This not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! You, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Enjoy, enjoy!
Tap on those.
Not so fast! Not on my watch, squirrel!
You want an acorn! Keep feeding birdies to win more acorns!
You, squirrel! Not you, squirrel! That doesn't go there. Let's try another. You, squirrel! Not on my watch, squirrel!
You want another acorn!
You, squirrel! Enjoy, enjoy! You, squirrel!
Wow! 3 acorns!
You, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! You, squirrel! Well, that doesn't go there. Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Not so fast, squirrel! You, squirrel! watch, squirrel. You, squirrel. Not on my...
Sweet job! You fed a lot of birds. But we've got more hungry birds on their way. Man, oh man, even more squirrels. Nature Cat, what do we do?
We make this the best feast ever, Daisy. Tally-ho!
We need to feed 15 birds.
3, 2, 1, go! Enjoy, enjoy! You're not on my watch, squirrel! Welcome, welcome! You, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed... Not on my watch! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! You, squirrel! Come and get it! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel! This feed is the birds! Welcome, welcome! Not so fast, squirrel! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not on my watch, squirrel! Not so fast! Not on my... You, squirrel! Not so fast, squirrel!
Oh yeah, you fed a lot of birds. But look, we've got more birds to feed. Congratulations, you cleared all the levels. Ba-bam!